Good morning or good afternoon, wonderful Scott students. This is Mrs. O'Brien. I'm going to show you a little bit about what we're doing on the computer this week. We're going to get ready to read the novel Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry. So as we get ready to do that, we're going to complete a web quest where we explore various sources on the internet to learn more about this book that we're going to be reading, more about this setting and the time period. Understanding the context of the novel can help us better understand and better appreciate and enjoy the novel. So, regardless of which hour you're in, fifth, first, second, if you go to classwork in Google Classroom, you're going to be able to see your assignments. So your assignments are organized based on different topics. Before we were doing just regular computer station, here are the various articles we were doing. But we're going to go to the Roll of Thunder Webquest. And a Webquest is where we do a quest, a search, a special search on the internet. So, two things for you to look at. Number one, the website, if you click on that link, it'll take you to the web quest. Here is the introduction. It'll tell you just a little bit about the book. Here are some objectives, what we want to get out of it. And here's the part you really need to pay attention to. The pre-reading tasks, this part right here. So if you click here, it'll give you this list, but none of these are links. If you want to go to the links, you really have to go here. This is where you can see they're highlighting, because I can click now on them to take me where we want to go. So you're going to start at number 1, and you're going to go all the way through this. You're going to get as far as you can. We're going to be doing this on the computer all week. Use your time wisely. So it's going to say task number 1, we're going to learn about the author, Mildred D. Taylor. Now it's telling you to open a Google Doc and name it. I created a Google Doc for you in Google Classroom. If we go back to Google Classroom, you can see this Google Doc right here. When you go to open it up, it's going to be, here you go, task number 1. Now task number 1 is the biography. So you can type biography here, biography, and then here's where you're going to do what it tells you to do. So let's go back to task number 1. We're going to get to know the author. Here's a video for you to watch. Please watch this. Use your headphones. And then you're going to read these biographies. Biography 1 to read. Biography 2 to read. And then you're going to list in chronological order. That means earliest to latest. 7 events. So this is how you're going to go through this. When you're done with this one, you're going to go back up here. You're going to go to number 2. We're going to learn about the novel. Here's some she's won a lot of awards. Here's some information about the awards. You're going to answer these questions. Where are you going to answer these 2 questions? You're going to answer them here. Oh, for task number 2, you're going to put novel. All right, guys, if you've got questions, let me know. Or you can always watch the video again if you get stuck. Good luck.